Hey, thanks for coming back for another episode of Rad Repairs. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the faceplate on a PSP 3000. Now, my PSP is in pretty good shape other than the faceplate. You can see that it is really scratched up. It's got kind of a nick right here. It's got a couple of big nicks right here, and you can hear it even. Yeah, it's pretty deep. So I got this nice kit from Total Console for an original Sony faceplate. So this is really going to freshen up my PSP. It's going to look brand new, and you can do this. It's actually really simple. First thing you want to do is shut your PSP down, flip it over, and we're going to take the battery out. All right, there are 2 screws on the top, 2 on the side, 1 on the bottom, and 2 inside here. The first one is here, the second one's underneath of this sticker, and we're going to have to take that sticker off, which is why I have my tweezers. All right, with our screws out, take our spudger, start up here in the front by the R button. And while we've got this open, we're going to go ahead and give the buttons and pads a good cleaning. All right, now we've got it all cleaned up. Let's get our new faceplate here. Your 2 smallest screws go right on the top. Time for the big reveal. All right, that's looking pretty good. Do the old function test. There you go. Well, this was a simple one, but I hope you enjoyed it. Like and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time on Rad Repairs.